Musamseleku was explaining about his relationship with Snare's mother, that his mother, Ugogo Flo, doesn't want Snare's mother. But once he introduced Mayeni to Ugogo Flo and says, this is the one, Musamseleku's mother knows that Mayeni and Musamseleku are soulmates. That's why Sneshi was very hurt why her father Musamseleku have got Istanbul, but he doesn't get married to her mother. It's very painful thing that her mother was a single mother, but he was married to many wives, Mayeni, Mangwawe, and Makumalo. So sometimes that's why you saw Sneh, she was very angry to all those wives. It's not about Macele, because even Sneh and Macele, they have got an issue before they are shooting Utando Nestembu. They don't see each other eye to eye. Macele and Sneh, at that time Sneh's mother was alive. You know that mothers, they can say something about another woman, or Sneh's mother, she was jealous to see Musamseleku choose Macele over her. Musamseleku want to get married to Mayeni, and he saw that Mayeni's family, they don't allow that he can have Istanbul, and he go to Macele. Why he didn't ask Snare's mother? Because Snare's mother was still alive. So there is a confusion sometimes. Musamseleku, he didn't even get married. He didn't hear Musamseleku explain that they stayed together for a long time. So Musamseleku pregnated Snare's mother and dump her. I don't understand, guys, because if his mother Ugogo Flo says, I don't like this girl, why Musamseleku he got her pregnant? You know that sometimes men, or they want to play with women. I don't understand. It was very painful thing to Snare's mother. That's why you saw that girl, she was very hurt that her mother was not married to Musamseleku, but Musamseleku got married to women who have got kids. Musamseleku chose to get married to Masaule. Masaule was already have got her own child, but he didn't get married to the mother of his child. I don't understand their relationship, what's going on. Maybe Musamseleku doesn't want to go deeper about his relationship with Snare's mother. The reason why, it's not about, you know that men sometimes they say, I want to listen my mother. If my mother says I don't want to get married to this woman, and you can say it, understand it. Women, we have to think that our kids, they've got their choice. You can't choose for a wife for your child. You say, I want my son to get married to this girl. You choose the girl who can get married to your son. I don't think it's not good. Sometimes we have to respect our child's choice, because the Ugogo Flo, I think on other side, was wrong sometimes, because you can't choose that I don't want this woman. This woman is the perfect, because Ugogo Flo saw Mayeni. You know that Mayeni was already knows Musamseleku's mother. So Ugogo Flo says Mayeni was the one. Yes, we know that Mayeni and Musamseleku, they love each other. What about Snare's mother? Because Musamseleku was already pregnated Snare's mother. Musamseleku was always telling his kids that if you pregnant someone, you have to know that you are going to get married to that woman. You understand? Musamseleku forces Mpumelelo to get married. Musamseleku forces Mpumelelo to get married to Fuyokazi, and Mpumelelo doesn't love Fuyokazi. But why he didn't force himself? He knows that he doesn't love Snare's mother. It means that they don't love each other. You understand it? Musamseleku forces himself to Mayeni. He knows that Mayeni's father doesn't allow his daughter to get married by the polygamist. But Musamseleku forces and begging again. But when it comes to Snare's mother, you know that a man, when he doesn't love you, he doesn't love you sometimes. But Snare's mother and Impilo's mother, they did good choice for themselves because of their health. Because you can't force yourself to a person who doesn't love you. Tomorrow, you end up being hated again. You know that there is a red flag. When you saw a yellow card, it means that you have to stop, because when it comes that it's a red card, it's a red card, it will become to be worse and you cry.